All right, so we have RJ's car in the shop today, in the flesh, finally. RJ is hiding over in the corner, not wanting to be videotaped. This is his 99 Nissan Maxima in a rather beautiful condition, and we finally got these headlights installed that were growing roots, chilling in my showroom. These are the quad retrofit Morimoto MH1s with the BMW X5 switchback halos and also a little custom acrylic shroud built for the sides there. And these things are sweet. And I'm going to show the running light mode, which is actually on an ignition circuit for the halos. I will show that right now. Alright, so we've got running light mode now, and these guys, anytime the key is in the ignition, these will kick on. So we got a fused ignition source underneath the hood, and they look really sweet. And I guess that's really all I have to say about that. Alright, now to show off the blinker, they are all switchback. So they blink with the turn signal, along with the OEM turn signal down below, which hopefully we will replace in the future with some cool build. Alright, beautiful, and I just turned on the headlights themselves. So, like I said, we're running the MH1 projector assemblies in here. So quad 35 watt Morimoto ballasts, and puts out a stupid amount of light. I am mostly pleased with the output beam pattern. I can do a little picture overlay for that. But ta-da! It's well lit. And the high beams on this thing are pretty ridiculous.
Please refer to the video description for product and pricing information. Any build requests should be directed to 13 at ByThirteen.com. Thanks again for watching. This is 13, and have yourself a great day. See ya!